Ride the hallway, ride the bus. Walk my house, look like I'm in plus. Walk in the strip, she gon' make you buzz. I do damage, and they can't stand it. Psycho bandit, like it's Marilyn Manson. Got the cash advancing, get the Sprite and enhance it. Pull the walk out the pantry, take a sip and I'm dancing. She bout play like a pan beat, she lit like a candle. Booted up in the car seat.
What up, YouTube? It's your boy King Kilo back again with another sneaker unboxing. But like always, y'all know the drill. Go ahead, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and drop some comments down below for your boy. But let's go ahead and get off into this video. So, unfortunately for today's unboxing, I won't be able to do an on feet for you because this is a women's exclusive shoe. And they didn't have extended sizes, which I wish they did, because for this shoe, which is the Jordan 4 metallic gold, it would have been crazy. So boom, here's the shoe right here. You guys can get a close look at this shoe. Boom, you see the gold right here. That embossed Jordan symbol on the tongue is fire. And it has good leather, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I knew this shoe was gonna be good. It's not going for a crazy amount of resale either. Like, you know what I'm saying? So if you guys want this shoe, especially for the women out there, if you guys want this shoe, this Jordan 4, it looks like a Jordan 4 off-white and pure money Jordan 4 had a baby. And then you got this. This is what you have. So, I mean, I'm feeling this shoe. I wish, like I said, I wish they had extended sizes. I got a size 12 in women's, which is a 10.5 in men's. But yeah, as you can see, man, the leather is like fire on this shoe. You like push down a little bit. The leather is good leather. Tongue, fire. That back tab, it's like a little off-whitish, a little bit on the midsole here. It's off-white. You can see all the stars, brand new. Has not even touched the ground yet. And it probably won't, because I can't even fit this. If I could wear this, if I was a size 10.5, y'all, bro, you know how many shoes I would have? I'd have way more shoes than I have right now. Like, insanely. And at one point, I had like over 200 fucking pairs of shoes, which is crazy. But yeah, man. These are fire. Let me go ahead and get the other pair out so y'all can see it side by side. So like what they started doing with the Jordan 4s, they started making them with the Jordan 4 SB in mind. So they've been giving them like extra padding on the sock liner. So this is like an in-between version of that. So this is like an in-between of the original Jordan 4 and then like a Jordan 4 SB, or like the Bread Reimagines. I think that has the same silhouette as a Jordan 4 SB, but this one is like an in-between version of those two shoes. So as you can see right there, you see the leather a little bit, and then like it has like this glossy finish here, which I think is kind of fire. But yeah, man, women's exclusive. I can't do nothing with this shoe. Super hard. You see the bottom right there, and then y'all already seen the heel. I just gotta keep showing y'all this shoe because, I mean, had this been in extended sizes, I'd have it on feet for y'all. But I can't do it today. I can't do it, man. I cannot do it because this shoe won't allow me to do it. They don't want me to be great, y'all. They don't want me to be great. That's what it is. But yeah, man, for the women out there, if y'all want a shoe, a Jordan 4, an all white or like kind of off-white cream shoe, this is the shoe for you. This one right here. Boom. But yeah, man, this video is not going to be super long. I'm going to go over the box real quick for you guys. So as you can see, this is the Jordan 4 paper. It has like gold Jumpman on it. Nothing else in the box for real. You got that quality control sticker in the back. As you guys see it right there. Boom. And then it's like gold spackle on the entirety of the shoebox, as you guys can see. And then I'll show you the sizing right there. Size 12 women's, size 10.5 men's. And And then this is the top of the box right here. That gold flight on there with the gold Jumpman. Boom. Nothing else. And that's pretty much it for this shoe, man. Like I said, this shoe, in my opinion, is hard. But I feel like because the sneaker game is how it is right now, a lot of this stuff is not going for a crazy amount. It's not going for, you know, $300, $400, which is good. Like, you know what I'm saying? I'm not saying that's a bad thing. This is a great thing because, like, I know you guys saw my other video on the Jordan 5 olives. I was able to walk into Foot Locker and literally buy those shoes. In 2020, these shoes were selling out. You couldn't even go get them, and you'd have to pay resale. You would have to. Like, there was no other option. Now there's an option for people who actually like the shoes and want to buy the shoes to go get them. So if you guys want to get this shoe and it's not available in your stores, you can still buy this on the aftermarket for a decent price, not too much above resale, and still get a good deal. So, you know what I'm saying? That's pretty much it for today's video. Like I say in all my other videos, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for staying for the entirety of the video. Go ahead and do me a favor. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop some comments down below. As always, you know, we're on the road to 2K subs. We're at 1,130 something subs right now. So we're just working our way up to that 2K mark. So if you could do me a favor and subscribe to the channel, help me get there a little bit quicker, it is much appreciated. So that's pretty much it for today's video. Like I said, I'm going to go ahead and put these in a box and hopefully get rid of them soon. But that's it for today's video. Like I said, King Kilo's out. Stay tuned for the next video. Peace.